In this video, you will see how to write 1 by 4 in Word document as a fraction. Let's get started. First, you need to click here on the Insert tab. After clicking on the Insert tab, at the right hand side, you will see the option of Insert an Equation. Just click on this symbol and you will get the blue box to type the equation. Now under the equation tab, go to fraction and here you will see the options to write stacked fraction, skewed fraction, linear fraction and small fraction. So you can select any one option. For example, I will select the normal stacked fraction and then just type 1 and 4 in the boxes to type the fraction. You can also similarly choose the skewed fraction like this and type the numbers. In this way, you can write fractions in MS Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.